Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a crypto wallet address. First, understand that your crypto wallet address is a unique identifier for receiving digital assets. It's crucial for transactions, ensuring funds reach your specific wallet. We'll cover how to locate this address within various platforms, making the process straightforward and secure for you. To find your address, open your crypto exchange or software wallet. Look for a receive or deposit option, then select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to receive, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Your unique address will then be displayed, often with a QR code for easy scanning. Double-check the currency to avoid sending funds to the wrong address. It's important to know that different cryptocurrencies have distinct address formats. For example, Bitcoin addresses vary, while Ethereum addresses consistently start with 0x. Always confirm you're using the correct address type for the specific crypto you're receiving. This vigilance helps prevent potential loss of funds due to incorrect transfers. You can share your public wallet address with others to receive cryptocurrency. It's designed for that purpose. However, never, under any circumstances, share your private key or seed phrase. These are the keys to your funds. Keep them absolutely secure. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Always confirm the address before finalizing any transaction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.